You want to check for flats, make sure I don't have anything?
Got all the cars out here. Got Doge's S, got Efren's RSX Type S, got Ramon's NSX, got the DA out, and then Dr. Toge. I didn't catch his real name, but he's in town, Mr. Instagram guy.
Can you run like a short-ram version for that?
Don't film me.
And Believo. Ooh, that boy. I didn't bring the normal camera, but I did bring the GoPro. But I figured it'd be content nonetheless. We are going on a little Toge session with Dr. Toge. He's an East Coast guy, and he's passing through. So we figured we'd all hang out.
I don't know.
All of us.
He's just crying.
Oh boy. Just throwing my whole phone, eh? Skate. I don't know where I'm going. I mean, I know where I'm going. I just don't know where I'm going in the sense of my place in the pack here. There's a lot of us. This is a good little cruise. This BMW M4 in front of me, my buddy Mike, those things are unnecessarily fast. They are so freaking cool. I'm not big on German engineering, but after riding in that thing, I definitely wouldn't mind driving one for a little bit, especially for a daily. So much extra power. And now we're stuck behind this casual RIP. Hopefully the audio isn't too bad for you guys since I got the sunroof open and the windows down. It's Arizona, it's still the end of summer. Give me a break. Cheeks. We have to keep slowing way down to like 10 miles an hour to get a little bit of space. was a fun 10 seconds. This is kind of whack. It's normally never this busy. Like, this isn't super busy, but it's normally like completely dead this time of day. So this is a bummer. Geez, there's a truck coming up there with a boat, and he looks like he is moving. Two of the three pulled over. Ooh, people. Now that Kia or that Honda or whatever that is up front is feeling pressured. He's starting to double lane it. Whoa, there's a biker. Those dudes freaking got big balls that can do that type of stuff. Like, when I had a motorcycle, I came out here once or twice just for the drive. Freaking so scary leaning in on those bikes. Oh, hey, he finally pulled off. Section back here that's always just empty. Nobody goes back there because the road ends. Tricky. It goes and goes and goes, and then it gets really tight right there. I thought that SUV over there was a freaking cop. Woo! Just a guy loading up his boat. Well, I know the quality right now is trash because filming on the phone this late at night. But that was really, really fun. The car felt really good. There's 2 random parts where, like, I don't know, TPS cut out. So that was weird. I don't know if you could hear me screaming about it when I was filming on the GoPro, but good fun. Good sunset, eh?
Luckily you can do a higher swap on those. You don't have to get whatever tiny bit. How about a
Just blind envelope.
Oh, believe it was so shiny. Hopefully you don't mind no one.
You looking like one of them, like a fresh orca in that shirt.
No, man, I'm like a fresh orca up in the shirt. You know, fish out of work and shit.
Oof.
Are you getting
You having fun in that Type R out here?
Yes, sir. Pushing that hole to his limits.
Yeah. Look at how sweaty Ramon is. Catch all that back sweat.
That's how he's so fast. No AC.
Yeah, right?
That's a race car.
That was boss to wall, AC off. I have my AC is ripping.
What do it be?
Nice. I really got
What the dog doing? Good times. Good times.
Well, I mean, I know this road, so.
Yeah, I mean, I know it ish, but
Oh, yeah.
not. I mean,
Dude, I was like
still wouldn't go 80 miles per hour on this.
Yeah.
I was going like.
So, ending off this video here, I didn't even make an outro to that video, and that was almost like a week and a half ago that I actually filmed that, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, for whatever reason, at one part in that uphill section on the second to last clip or whatever, my car just cut out, like TPS cut out once or twice, and then it almost felt like the car just was steering a little weird. That's why that last section I was very quiet and falling way behind. Is the car, I was just kind of watching it, just, you know, kind of trying to feel it out as to what was going on, but the car ended up being fine. It was just having a hiccup for whatever reason. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing. If you guys want to help support the channel, the best way to do that is to hit the big cartel, pick up some merch, and use those Amazon affiliate links, and just click those links and go order something for yourself. Doesn't even have to be what the link is linked to. Just use those links and then search up whatever you want from there. Anyways, guys, do what you love, forget about the rest, and we will see you in the next one, whatever that may be. Until then, peace out.